Hi everyone, this is Dr. Pavithra, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, KCS Cosinodar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to learn about phases of business cycle. First of all, what do you mean by business cycle? The business cycle is nothing but upward and downward of economic activity going one after another in a cyclical way. The business cycle is associated with sweeping fluctuations in economic activities such as production, price, income, employment, exports, import, etc. We have some phases of business cycle. First one, peak, boom or prosperity. Second one, recession. Third one, depression. Fourth one, recovery. Already we have two phases of business cycle, left upward phase and a downward phase. These are the sub phases in the business cycle. First one, boom or prosperity. During this period, there is a hectic activity in the economy. In the matter of months, full employment paves way for overall employment. Money wages rise, profit increases, and the income rate also goes up. The demand for bank credit increases, and there is a full round optimization. So in this period, the price in inflation or high marginal efficiency of capital, the high level of effective demand. Next, recession. The turning point from boom condition is called a recession. Generally, the failure of a company or a bank versus the boom and brings a phase of recession. The businessmen begin to realize that they have overstepped their mark and their over optimization give place to pessimism. The investments are reduced, production comes down, and income and profits decline. There is pandemic in the stock market and business activities shows signs of dullness. The recession, once started, tends to build upon itself much a forest fire. Once underway, tends to create its draft and gives an impetus to its destructive ability. Next one, depression. The recession is only a turning point rather than a phase. When it's that deepens, it accumulates into the depression. The feature of depression are just the reverse of the prosperity phase. During depression, the level of economic activity becomes extremely low. For example, closure of business, overall pessimizations, fall in the structure of interest rate, price deflation, rise in the level of unemployment, contraction of bank credit, worst condition of agriculture class, etc. But gradually, and optimization develops and economic activity once again gathers momentum. This is a stage of recovery sets it. The next one, recovery. Recovery stage. After a period of depression, the recovery sets it. This is the point. After depression, the recovery will towards upswing. It begins in survival of demand for capital goods. The demand slowly picks up, and in the course, the activity is directed towards the upswing with production, profit, income, wages, employment. It will be goes up. The increase in the stock prices favors expansion. So the revival slowly emerges into prosperity, and the cycle repeats itself. In this diagram shows how the economic activities fluctuates upward and downward with the phases like Trough, expansion, peak, concentration. Now it will upward and it will recovery stages in this period. Thank you.